Hi Daniel, happy birthday, wish you all the best, good health, and see you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tito Daniel!
Happy birthday Daniel! Enjoy your day!
Happy 18th birthday, Daniel. Sana pagdating ni Kenneth at may dala siyang pabango, save mo ako isa ha. Be, joke lang. Sana makabanding ka namin sa susunod.
Hi! Happy birthday, Danielle! I wish you good health. Sana ma-meet kita very soon and enjoy your special day. Bye!
Hi Danielle, this is Jackie. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and sana maging successful ka pa sa life. Love you.
Hi Daniel, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Kita-kits soon. Take care.
Hi, baby Daniel. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more successes in life. Love. See you soon.
Hi, Danielle. Happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you so much for being my friend's boyfriend. Sharing! Thank you so much. Sharing! Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. And hopefully next year, sana ma-celebrate natin yung birthday mo together with MK, of course. Happy birthday. Have a nice day.
Hi Daniel, happy birthday! I'm your mom. I hope you enjoy the day and momwa.
Happy birthday, Daniel! Ang kambal ng tadhana ng aking besh. I love you, bye!
Daniel, happy birthday. All the best. Ingat ka dyan.
Hey, mahal! Happy birthday! Naway! Happy birthday! Love you, baka! Chup chup!
Hi Daniel, happy birthday. See you soon. Balik ka na dito, meron ka nang pupuntahan ba?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Kuya Mahal! I miss you and hope to see you soon. Of course, I wish you good health and more blessings to come. I miss you. See you soon. Love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Kuya Daniel. Ingat ka po palagi and more blessings to come.
Hi, Kuya Daniel! Happy birthday! May God bless you always. Bye-bye! Kiss ka daw.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dan. Thank you sa love, sa family, and lalo na kay MK. And thank you din sa coffee machine, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Tito Daniel. More blessing to come. Ingatan mo yung health mo, even yung family mo. Ingat ka lagi sa work. More birthday to come. And sana po, sa family mo, laging good health. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Good luck po sa work mo. Sana lagi ka pong safe. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tito Daniel. God bless po sa work mo. Sana po gabayan ka po ni God. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
Kuya Daniel, love ka ni ate.
Happy birthday Daniel!
Ano pa?
Ano ba? More blessing to come.
Ikaw naman tayo.
Good health.
Ikaw naman tayo.
Happy birthday, Daniel.